One of the problems small business owners encounter is packaging, how to seal their products without using a sealing machine, and how to label their products cheaply. Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you two ways you can seal your product without using a sealing machine, and how you can label your product, a cheap way in which you can label your product to get started. Okay, my superstars, let's get started. Okay, my superstar. So what we need is a food product we are going to package. In this case, is a plantain chips. Next, we need a water nylon in which we'll be packaging our food product. Next, we need the scissors. We need two metallic spoons, and we also need a candle. Okay, don't forget to keep your matches close by. All right, so we are going to get started. First, you put your food product into a waterproof, like I'm doing right now. Okay, I have enough in this waterproof. Next, you're going to light the candle. Okay, put the first spoon under it. And then the next spoon on top of it. Okay, it's all set now. Take it close to the fire and run it through quickly. Allow it to cool briefly, and voila, our food product is sealed. We turn it upside down. It's not pouring out. Okay, my superstars, that is the first method for sealing your food product. Okay, so now I'll be showing you the next method for sealing your food product. This one is okay. First, you put in your food product you're going to seal into the sachet, like I'm doing now. And so we have enough right now. Next, we're going to fold the nylon waterproof. Then place your spoon under and the next one on top of it, like I'm doing right now. It's neatly sealed right now. Leave it to cool for a while before opening it up. this method is mostly used if you are sealing a food product in a roll. Like most of these food products you see in a roll, this is how it is sealed, so that when one wants it, the person can easily detach it in the middle. We're going to seal it to form a roll. Place your spoon under. Okay, so we are done, my superstars. As you can see, we've now been able to make a roll of sealed products. Okay, my superstars. All right, let me show you how to add the next roll to it, because as you can see, this nylon is quite short. It's quite short, but you can improvise and make it long into a very long sachet roll. Okay, I'll show you how to join it. Okay, but in a case where you have a short one like this one, let me show you a trick in which you can use to continue the roll. Okay, this one was already packaged and sealed. Let me show you how to attach it to continue the roll. All you do is bring it to the last point here. This is the one we are attaching, the extra we are attaching. We bring it to the first one we had done before. Add it here. Place your spoon under. Make sure the two edges meet. Okay. Allow it to cool for a while. Okay. Superstars, we are done. As you can see, we've been able to make a roll. Okay, my superstars, so if you want to continue the roll, you can put another one here and seal. Now I'll be showing you a cheap way to label your food product. Before now, I had gone to the cyber cafe and I had designed this. I was charged 300 naira for a page of this. Okay, so next you're going to place this on top of your package and need a sellotape for this. This is my transparent sellotape, the thick one, not the slim size, the sellotape that is thick in diameter. Cut it. Okay, put this on the package. Then as your sellotape, place it neatly. Okay, superstars, look at that. That's our label on our food package, neatly on it. Okay,